you're wondering what's involved with putting your mod cold press juicer together, let me show you. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So first you start off with your juicer bowl, and that just goes on first like so. Matching the triangles there. It's got a dot alignment system on all the parts which help you along the way. Next we go with our filter, and that goes into the rotating basket, just like so. And then that fits in, again, lining up the dots. Next we've got the auger, so this is where all the power comes from. Nice and heavy, that goes in next, just slips in, beautiful. And then don't forget the funnel, so the funnel goes on next. Again, just lining up the dots and clip that in. Then you've got the lid. Now if you don't get the lid on properly, the juicer won't actually work. So again, just lining up the dots, making sure that locks in. You'll hear a little click. You've got your pusher, which helps if you need to push any fruit or veggies down the spout. Then you've got your 2 jugs for your pulp and for your juice. They just slip in there. And if you want a nice finer juice, you can use the strainer. So that just slips in there. A lot of people wonder what this part does. Well, this is your sorbet filter for when you're making sorbets. So there you go. That took what, 30 odd seconds to put together the mod cold press juicer. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.